Hey friends, it's Mishka. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a freelance writer and content creator living in Brooklyn. I post monthly vlogs, DIY projects, and inspiration for creative living. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. It'll help me grow and give you some good karma too. Here's June. They do look a little bigger. They're burning though. You can see they're totally swollen, and that's the idea. However, the product is burning my lips. Like, I would not want to put this on and go to sleep. It actually hurts. Here's what a normal ankle looks like. Here's what my ankle currently looks like. I have re-injured my ankle, which I twisted a couple weeks ago and was almost healed, almost back to normal. It is so intensely painful. I'm sort of trying to get out of body because I don't want to experience what is happening right now. It's really bad. Right now I cannot walk on it. I can't put pressure on it. It cramps up if I try to move it. It's just so painful. wisteria vines. Hey! This has truly been the least vloggy month ever because I've been dealing with an ankle injury. I haven't really been out doing anything and I don't really feel like anything's been interesting enough to vlog, really. Today I am going to take a walk to the post office to return an order. What else is new? It's gonna rain, so I'm gonna bring an umbrella and actually hope it rains. It's very muggy for June and I'm hoping the rain will cool it down. Yeah, I've just been sort of in hermit mode editing video and staying off my foot. I feel like there's cool things in the works and cool things coming up, but right now it's just kind of an in-between moment where I'm just basically working all day and there's not a ton to report. So let's go take a walk and I guess you can check out the rest of June. Artisan pour. Berry rose. Cheers, girl. Champagne stream. Your elbows in your hair. Hi. I think it's time for a proper update since most of this vlog has been just like b-roll of the backyard. June has been a very slow month. I had this ankle injury that I compounded with another ankle injury, so I was pretty much stuck in the house, trying not to move around too much. And I just spent most of my free time outside trying to bring our backyard to restore it to its former glory since that whole debacle. I feel like the month has sort of passed me by and I'm like, huh? July is coming up? Like, what the heck? June is the halfway point of 2021, which also, what? But yeah, here we are, let's embrace it. We're halfway through the year. I think June has been a chance to sit back and look at, what I've done so far this year and kind of take stock of my goals for the rest of the year. I have projects on projects and goals on goals, like most of us do, right? I think this month I was able to sit down and start to prioritize specific things and curate out some of the things that I just am not gonna choose to make time for right now. I think the next few days as we wrap up June are gonna be about maintenance and housekeeping, and to the best of my ability, because I find this challenging, just making a definitive list of what I want to get done for the rest of the year, get it down in my 90-day planner and go for it. The other thing I've been doing, which I'm quite proud of, is tracking everything in my 2 planners. I have about 100 notebooks that I track various life things in, but I'm hoping that all these little endeavors and projects and systems will come together in the long term just to hit some of these various life goals. So yeah, as we careen into summer, I'm going to do my best to be optimistic and positive, manage my expectations around productivity, and yeah, and just enjoy it. Happy Pride, it's Pride Month. Thank you for hanging out with me thus far. I think we can jump into the rest of the vlog and see what the last final few days of June holds for us. Let's go. My favorite magazine just arrived. This is an entire magazine dedicated to gatherings and festivity and planning ways to bring people together, hence the title. Well friends, that is a wrap on June, and I didn't get everything done that I said I was gonna get done. I didn't even finish cleaning the office, but as you guys saw, I did get a lot of other things done this month. You know, we're ending this month on a good note. I feel like it was productive, I feel like it was good vibes. I'm really glad that I initiated some new habits. I couldn't let you guys go without updating you on this very fun development. We are ending June in a state of emergency in New York City, since they just sent an emergency text to everyone asking them to not use power, businesses and residential, to avoid having blackouts. I guess time will tell if we end up with no power. I'm charging the phones and laptops, and I'm going to also put the camping lanterns out because who knows? June was a pretty smooth month, so I had to expect something to happen, you know? Anyway, thank you so much for watching my June vlog. If you enjoy the vlog, feel free to subscribe and hang out with me again. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you're having a great summer and staying safe.